Hello everyone! Are you wondering what demiromantic means? Let's explore. Demiromantic describes someone who only experiences romantic attraction after forming a strong emotional bond with someone. Unlike people who might feel romantic attraction more spontaneously, demiromantic individuals require a deep connection or friendship before developing romantic feelings. This identity falls within the spectrum of gray romantic and asexual orientations, where romantic or sexual attraction is conditional or rare. Demiromantic people may have fewer romantic relationships or take longer to develop romantic feelings, as their attraction is based on a foundation of trust and emotional closeness. In essence, being demiromantic is about the importance of emotional bonds in forming romantic connections, where romance is closely tied to deep, personal relationships. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.